Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we can be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you can be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
I need help, I'm going through hell. I fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I found, my mind overwhelmed. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Because you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Linggau ini tetap sampai dari Bengkulu, Linggau itu terrealisasi. Tapi ya kita sebagai warga Bengkulu cuma bisa berharap agar tol Bengkulu Linggau ini akan tetap berlanjut dan tetap berjalan sehingga target-target yang dicanangkan oleh pemerintah bahwa tol Trans Sumatera ini bisa terhubung dari mulai Bengkulu, dari mulai Banda Aceh sampai Lampung itu bisa terrealisasi ya. Bengkulu juga bagian dari tol Trans Sumatera itu yang mana panjangnya sekitar 95 kilo. Jadi kita bisa bayangkan ya guys, apabila tol ini terselesaikan atau terselesaikan, maka ini akan berdampak terhadap perkembangan ekonomi khususnya daerah Bengkulu ya guys. Nah, guys, ini kita menuju atau bergerak lagi ke daerah Sukarami. Nah, ini yang kata Bang Dieng sebutkan, yang ini masih tetap dikerjakan terus sampai siang malam agar bisa terrealisasi atau sesuai dengan target yang telah ditentukan. Nah, ini ada seperti teman-teman lihat sendiri di Sukarami ini adalah bagian penutup dari sektor 1 yang panjangnya 17,6 kilo yang membentang dari mulai Betungan sampai daerah Sukarami, Tapak Penanjung guys. Nah, iya kita berdoa saja, kita dukung DPR Provinsi serta Gubernur beserta DPR Republik Indonesia atau DPR RI untuk memperjuangkan ke pusat agar supaya tol
You can see the writing on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough.
video Bang Dieng berikutnya dan selamat menyaksikan Tol Bengkulu Linggau. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.